Okay, so now we're going to do competitive tech uninstall. So what this means is when they uninstall or drop a technology, it will then execute the workflow. So to get started, we simply click try it now. So when a company drops your selected technology, we will say Salesforce in this case. Salesforce, we'll do Salesforce checkout. Okay, and they are within my ICP. And to configure that, we simply go here. I will select software. The headcount, I will be doing between 500 and 5,000. Financials, I'm not going to configure this, but if I were to, I would simply select the funding rounds I want. When they were funded, company attributes, I'm not setting this up either, but if I were to, simply click explore or simply type in the search box what attribute I want and type in model. Not going to set this up, but if I were to, I'd simply select the type in model I want to target. But I do want them to be in the US. So a software company with employees between 500 and 5,000 and based in the US. I simply click apply. And it's important to note is each time this workflow executes it will execute up to 500 companies. Now, because I don't want to use that many bulk credits, I'm going to set this to 50. And if I select the frequency, so it could be 50 a week or 50 a day. In this case, I'm going to do daily. And then over here, I'm going to select it so it only finds 5 companies or 5 contacts per company. And yet again, this is to not chew through my bulk credits. And I want them to be in my buying committee. Now, if you don't have that set up, you can simply go here, select what level you want to target, and we can do in sales. We can just simply select that. All right, and we want them to be in the US. So we're going to click apply. And then we want to export them as companies and contacts. And you're going to assign it to the user you want. In this case, I'm going to assign it to myself. But if you have a large team with specific markets, you can simply assign it to them how it's pertinent. And now the important thing to note here is when you're configuring your filters, whether it be for company or contact, is you want to treat it like an advanced search. When you treat it like an advanced search, then you'll get the highest quality contacts possible. So you can even take it a step further. If you go to contact information, bump that up to 95, and then we want to require all the best information, so mobile, direct, business email, and then click apply. Now we're going to turn this workflow on. This is now live. This will execute. Then we're going to close it out, and you can see since we just turned this on, it doesn't have any data populated here, but I can show you what it'll look like when it does execute. We're going to go here. And I purposely set this up incorrectly just to show you what happens when you don't set those limits on the companies and contacts. So here in one single day, it executed 7.44 thousand times. That's 7.44 thousand bulk credits. It's very important to configure it correctly. Otherwise, you will chew up through your bulk credit monthly allotment very, very quickly. And you can see 18 failed here. And if you click download, you can see why they failed. So I turn this workflow off. Now, if you want to edit it, let's say you made a mistake just now, simply go to edit workflow. Let's change the name. We'll do competitive tech uninstall, BTS, and we'll bump that down to 25 just to be safe. Then we're going to turn it on, and now this workflow is live. So that means when they uninstall a competitor, then it will execute and you'll get a notification.